Okay, this is a video tutorial on how to use the Swivl Cam. Swivl Cams can be signed out through the Library Media Center. We have 3 of them at Liberty High School. They'll come in a bag like this, and inside of the bag you will find an iPad, and then you will also find a direction sheet that you can use, and then you will also find the actual Swivl Cam itself. Inside of the Swivl Cam, you will find various cords. We have an audio cord, a USB cord. You will find a lanyard for hooking up the remote. You will have some little shims in case you hook up a device other than the iPad that comes with it. You will have a charger for the base itself. And then you will have the actual Swivl Cam base. These are all contained inside of this case. Please make sure you put back all the pieces and verify that you have everything that was in the original case. We don't need the USB cable for what we're doing, so I'm going to go ahead and put that back. And I've already put the shims back because we will not need those. And it is charged already, so I'm going to go ahead and put the charger back. But if you needed to charge it, in the side of the unit, there's a space for the charger. And then you just plug that into a wall outlet. On the back, it will blink when it's solid green in the back. That's how you know that everything is charged. And when I say everything, I mean that in the unit itself, in a little back door, is the actual unit that causes the Swivl Cam to follow you as you move around the room. So that can be deceiving. It's in the back here, it just sort of slips down in there and locks in. So please make sure you put that part back because that is one of the most important parts. Otherwise the camera won't follow you. So what you'll do is, first of all, you need to start up the iPad. What I do is I press the home button to see if it's already on. If it's not, in the upper right hand corner, hold the button until you see the Apple logo. While that's starting up, I can also start up the camera. I'm going to pull out the receiver. I'm going to put it into the lanyard. When you put it into the lanyard, there's a little holder at the bottom. The letter S should be down at the bottom because at the very top of this is a microphone, so that when you wear this around your neck, it can be recording. It does have a little slide on it, so if you needed to move this up further on your neck, you could. So it does have a slide. I'm going to set that to the side for just a minute. The iPad is now started up. If you slide over to the apps, there is a Swivl Capture app. What you want to do is you want to start that up. It's going to ask you to log in. We're going to go ahead and click cancel to cancel that. And we're going to choose Capture Video. When we do, we are going to set this into the Swivl Cam. Try to center it. Plug the audio cable into the headphone jack, and then into the back of the Swivl Cam there is a microphone, and plug it into there. To start up the Swivl Cam, you simply hold the right button, power button, until it starts up. And it'll go through a little orientation process. And now it's started up. What you need to do at this point is, on the side of the receiver, there are 2 buttons, one with a red circle and just a regular one. The top one is the power button. You hold that on until you see a green light appear. And now I have this so that it will follow me. And notice that as I move, the Swivl Cam is following with me. Now you can't make fast movements with this. They have to be slow and deliberate movements with it. In order to start recording, there is a button on the side of the remote unit. You simply press the one with the red button one time, and now you'll see on the capture that it is recording. And I'll move over here so you can see the iPad. You'll see that it's blinking red, which means that we are recording. And as I move around, it will follow me and it will be recording my movements and my voice as I move around. When you're done recording, you simply press the red button again on the side one time, and now it will stop recording. If you don't want the unit to continue following you now that we've stopped recording, simply press and hold on the button on the side of the receiver until it goes off, and now it will not be following you. In order to see what we've done for our recording, there's a little icon in the upper left-hand corner. It looks like a little pancake stack or a hamburger, people call it. If you click on that, you can go to the library and you will see the movies that we've recorded. What you can do at this point is then we can work with you to download your videos onto either the network, or we could upload them into your drive and eventually probably put them on YouTube or some other streaming service. But that is how you use the Swivl Cam. When you're done, to power off the Swivl Cam, you simply hold the button on the side of the Swivl Cam, the power button, until the lights go out. Disconnect all the equipment. For the iPad, you can simply hold the power button at the top until it says slide to power off. Slide to power that off, and then put everything back and return it to the Library Media Center. And that is how you use the Swivl Cam. Thank you.